Alright, good morning. I am going to make a meatloaf. I've got a new recipe for a meatloaf. I've got 1.5 pounds of ground chuck here. Alright. And I've got 3/4 cups of uncooked oats. And I got 1/4 cup of onions. Chopped up onions. And I want 1.5 teaspoons of salt. There you go. And I've got 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Okay. That's about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Alrighty. I've got 1 cup of tomato juice. I've got a can here, that's about a cup. Alrighty. I've got 2 beaten eggs. And I need 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay. And I've got 2 tablespoons of ketchup and barbecue sauce. I'm going to put that on top after I get this mixed up. I hope everybody's doing all right this morning. Trying to get this mixed up. I'm cooking this because my daughter and I are going to the nail place tomorrow and get a pedicure. And when we get back, I'll have dinner ready. And all I have to do is boil some potatoes and cook some beans. I love to cook. I have got between 250,000 and 300,000 recipes, and I've got all kinds of cookbooks. But I'll save every recipe I find on Facebook and put it in a folder in my Gmail account. I said I'll have to live like 1,000 years old to get all of them cooked, and I'm already 83, so I've got a long time to go. Okay, I'm gonna put this in a low pan. Let me get these dishes out of here. Make it. Alrighty. Let me get me a spoon. Alright, I've got a fourth a cup of barbecue sauce in here and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And I am going to pour this on top and spread it out. Alright. I am going to put this in the oven and I'm going to bake it and I will bring you back. Alright, I've got my meatloaf in the oven and I'm going to prepare the rest of my meat. Put in for hamburgers. I'm going to prepare it to put it in the freezer and I'll have it for later. I bought 3 pounds of meatloaf. I only needed 1.5 pounds to make my meatloaf. I'm going to put it up in the top of the refrigerator. I've got a deep freeze out there in the garage, but it's already full. I can't get nothing else in it. I need to clean it out. It hadn't been cleaned out in a long time because I'm sure I've got stuff on the bottom that's not any good in. It's a big deep freeze, chest high freezer. I wished I had got a stand-up freezer when I got that, and that way I could see what all I had in there. Okay. I've got enough for 2 more. Well, I guess I got enough for 1 more. There'll be big hamburgers when I get ready. Alright, I'm going to get me a sack. Get me a grocery sack. Put this up there in the freezer. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get my meatloaf gets out of the oven. I've got it in my air fryer. It cooks good. It looks like a microwave, but it's a chest. I've got a sun oven out there, and I've got a oven on my stove, a deep fryer. I've got a deep fryer. I've got a crock pot. I've got everything I can cook in. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, I just got the meatloaf out of the oven. This is what it looks like. I'm going to let it cool off and then I'm going to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator and have it for dinner when my daughter comes. And y'all if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And y'all have a blessed week. Thank you so much. Just like, share, and subscribe.